Hello, this is Guy Barker here, and I'm going to give a quick demo of how Azure Cognitive Services can help me more naturally play a game of solitaire. So first I'm going to use Azure Speech to Text to recognize the speech I make at the app, and then I'm going to have Language Understanding determine the intent of the speech. So first I'm going to ask the game for help. Can I make a move?
Consider moving the 6 of spades.
Okay, so I can move the 6 of spades. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to have Language Understanding determine the meaning of my speech as part of that. Put the 6 of spades on the 7 of hearts. Great, well that worked okay. Now I'm going to have Language Understanding determine the intent of another request for help, but I'm going to use a very different phrase in asking for that help. I think I'm stuck.
Consider moving the Queen of Hearts.
Okay, well that sounds like a good idea. Now I'm going to move the Queen of Hearts, but this time I'm going to use a phrase where the cards are actually in the opposite order from the earlier phrase I used, but still Language Understanding will determine my intent. Have the King of Spades invite the Queen of Hearts over. Okay, well that worked just fine. Azure Language Understanding is really helping me here. And I'll ask for help one more time, and again I'll use yet another phrase to do so. Help me.
Consider moving the 2 of Hearts.
Okay, so there we have a demo of Language Understanding, determining the intent when I ask for help in a variety of ways, and also having Language Understanding determine my intent when I had moves made, but switching the order of the cards in the related phrases. So now I'm going to move to Azure QnA Maker. I built up a knowledge base of QnA earlier, and now when I ask a frequently asked question, QnA Maker will decide what is the most appropriate answer to that question based on the FAQ I supplied. Can I provide feedback to help make the game more usable to me?
Absolutely. Please send feedback to barker@herbie.org.
Great, so through the Azure QnA Maker I got a very helpful reply to my question. Now that was quite a long question I asked, and probably not the most common way people would ask it, so I'm now going to ask basically the same question but with very different speech. Can I send feedback?
Absolutely. Please send feedback to barker@herbie.org.
Great, so the Azure QnA Maker service decided what the appropriate answer was based on the question I asked, and it mapped my text to the most appropriate question, so that was perfect. Now I'm going to, having demoed Language Understanding and the QnA, I'm now going to demo the Azure Bing Web Search, because I could ask any question here, and I want to basically search the web to see if I can find an appropriate answer. So here we go. Where can I buy Braille playing cards?
Amazon.com, Braille playing cards, plastic, toys and games. https://www.amazon.com/the-braille-superstore-playing-plastic/b0093qd30.
Okay, so there we have it. That was a short demo of using the Azure Language Understanding service, QnA Maker, Bing Web Search to help me provide a more natural way for me to interact with this game of solitaire. Restart game. Thank you.